What if I told you your legs aren't getting weaker because you're old, but because you're missing just 3 vitamins? And yes, you can fix it in just days, no gym, no expensive therapy, just 3 nutrients at the right time. If your legs feel heavy, or you struggle to get up from a chair or climb stairs without holding the railing, this message is for you. Stick with me until the end. I'll walk you through exactly what to take, how much, and when. And trust me, by the time we're done, you'll feel like you've taken the first real step to getting your strength and independence back. But first, quick question. Where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. Let's see how far this message can travel. And while you're at it, if you're over 60 and care about staying strong, click that like button and subscribe for weekly wellness tips made just for you. Now, let's get into the 3 essential vitamins that can restore leg strength in people over 60. Number 1, vitamin D3, your muscle activator. Vitamin D3 is like a light switch for your muscles. Without it, your legs can't function properly. After age 60, your skin makes less D3 and your organs process it slower. That's why leg cramps, weakness, and even balance problems become more common. Research from the University of Birmingham shows that taking just 800 IUs of D3 daily improved leg strength by 19% in just 5 days. That's right, just 5 days. D3 helps muscles contract better, reduces inflammation, and strengthens bones. For best results, take 800 to 1,000 IUs per day with meals containing healthy fats like salmon or eggs. Number 2, vitamin B12, the balance restorer. B12 helps your brain and leg muscles communicate. If you're low on B12, your legs might feel weak, numb, or uncoordinated. You may feel wobbly or like your legs are asleep. Older adults are especially at risk. Your stomach absorbs B12 less efficiently with age. And if you take acid blockers or don't eat much meat or eggs, you're even more vulnerable. Oxford studies show low B12 levels are linked with slower walking speed and twice the fall risk. Supplement with 500 to 1,000 micrograms of B12 daily, preferably the active form called methylcobalamin. Take it mid-morning or at lunch. Number 3, vitamin B1, the energy spark plug. B1, or thiamine, is what gives your muscles energy to move. Without it, even small tasks like walking across the room or climbing stairs can leave you feeling drained. Signs of low B1, tired legs, frequent cramps, shortness of breath, even mental fog or a lack of motivation to move. In Japan, researchers found that over 30% of older adults had low B1, and those people had significantly weaker legs. After supplementing, 82% felt better in just 7 days. Take 1.1 to 1.2 milligrams daily for maintenance, or 50 to 100 milligrams if you're already noticing leg weakness. Best taken in the morning with breakfast. Now, here's the secret to making this work. It's not just about the vitamins themselves, it's about when and how you take them. For best results, take D3 with a fatty meal, breakfast is ideal, B12 in the late morning or at lunch, B1 early with your first meal of the day. And be consistent. Take these every day for at least 2 weeks. Your body needs time to rebuild what's been missing. If you're thinking, should I talk to my doctor first? Absolutely, especially if you have kidney or liver conditions or take medications. And if you're not sure what your vitamin levels are, get a simple blood test. That way you know exactly where you stand. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these signs do you relate to most? Tired legs, trouble with stairs, or maybe those late-night cramps? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And if this helped you, please consider sharing it with a loved one who might need it. Let's get this message to at least 50,000 people over 60 who still want to move freely and feel strong. Click subscribe now because every week I share science-backed strategies to help you stay active, independent, and strong well into your 70s and beyond. Remember, it's not just about living longer. It's about moving better, feeling better, and walking with confidence again. Until next time, stay strong, stay nourished, and never stop moving forward.